Hey, today I'm going to be going over this 3 to 9 by 40 compact rifle scope, show you all the little details of it. This one here is from Midten. First, you do see it does have the lens covers here. It goes over, and if you can kind of see, this one actually has an amber cover on the side. Those come off very easily. And as I mentioned, you can see here you can go from 3 times magnification all the way up to 9 times magnification. Along with the scope and the lens covers, this one does come with mounting rings as well. You get the wrench that you need to tighten that up with, and it does come with a cleaning cloth. This will fit right onto your standard Picatinny rail. I do like how smooth this opens. Very easy to close and tighten up. Now, due to Amazon's policies on showing firearms, I'm not going to be able to do that for this particular video, but let's take this out and take a look through it. That's the most important thing, and then I can show you how well it actually worked for me. All right, I'm setting up a little simulation here. For the purpose of this video, I'm just going to be setting the scope here on top of this bench rest. I'm about 25 yards out, and I'm going to show you how this looks. As you can see, I put a paper target down there. Okay, this right here is at 3 times magnification. I can get my camera to focus a little better. The scope is actually much clearer. This here is at 9 times magnification. And while out at the range, this was very easy to zero in. This here was actually done at 50 yards. So I really do like the scope. It was very easy to dial in and see the target. And right here on top, you have the up and down dial. And on the side, you have the left and right. It even gives you one click is 1/4. Well, overall, this is very nice scope here from Midten. This is again the 3 by 9 magnification. Midten here makes a very nice scope. Very easy to mount, very easy to zero in. It has very clear magnification. A little bit hard for me to focus with my camera, but trust me, this thing has very, very clear opticals in it. So if you're looking for and for me, I'm still relatively beginner. I would say I'm not a marksman of any sort. For me to be able to zero this in, and for me, I'm still relatively beginner. I would say I'm not a marksman of any sort. For me to be able to zero this in very short amount of time, it only took about, say, 5 to 6 rounds before I got this fully dialed in and zeroed. I would highly recommend it.